sarsaparillas, it's your girl Sassy J, and I am back with another video. Yes guys, I am back with another video, and as you can tell by the thumbnail and the description, or should I just say the title, because that's really what you'll see first, I will be doing a Kryssma, is it Kryssma? Yes, a Kryssma headband wig try on. Yes guys, but before I get into this video, I'm just gonna ask you to do the do's. Go on and like this video, because you know, like before you try it. It doesn't really go like that, but okay. But go ahead, like the video. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, guys, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get updated every single time the girl uploads a new video. Okay? Yes guys, so I have never worn a headband wig before, have I? No, I've never. And I was just curious to see whether it'll be any good, and because I'm in like a confused stage, I don't know what to do with my hair, guys. But yes, I thought I went on Amazon, to be honest. I went on Amazon and I got this product here. I'll show it to you anyways. So I got this and I thought, why not try it, guys? I'm having breakouts, guys. See it? 2 big breakouts here. I'm sweating because I'm hot, and I still talking to you guys right now. I have a fever, y'all. I have a fever. I have a fever right now. No, I do not have COVID. It's more of the case of, I think I'm still going through this whole viral kind of, I don't know what it is, viral infection, sinus infection, and I don't know if you can still see it, but I still have a swollen lip node right here. Anywho, I'm gonna just go into this and let you know what's actually in there. So let me see. So we have 2 headbands, guys. So 2 little headbands that comes inside there. You have the wig itself. It also comes with this, guys. So it comes with a wig cap, right? Which is what I'm wearing right now. So you got the wig cap. I don't know what this is. Okay, so the buyer that I bought it from is called Kryssma. So it said, when in doubt, wig it out. Okay, girl, I'll see you. And that's basically just the manual, which, knowing me, I'm not really going to look at before I try to put the wig on, because I know what I'm like. But I think it just gives details if you want to, like, wash the hair. It said add shampoo and cold water in basin. Soak the wig for 5 minutes. Oh, hold on. I have to wash the hair before I put it on my head. I guess I'm not going to do that today. Guys, look how hot I am. When I say I have a fever, a temperature, I have a temperature. I really have a temperature. Okay, so, okay. It's just telling you what to do. So it's all about grooming, washing, and like storing and safety advisory and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and let you see what it's in there. So it comes in this little bag here. Happy hair, happy life. Don't know if you can see that, but they got that right. So it comes in this little bag here. Oh gosh, I'm ruining things. And then of course, you know, they have that protective mesh. I don't remember how long this is. It's probably like a 22. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Hope you can see it properly. So that's what it looks like. Y'all gonna be laughing at me right now because, like I said, I've never worn one of these wigs before. And if you can see, that's the headband bit there, and that's like built in. And that at the back, you just kind of take that there. But it still have, because I thought maybe you wouldn't have it. You know that little bit, if you want to make it a little bit smaller, tighter, or bigger, if you got a big head. I don't think I have a big head. I think I have like a okay size head. I don't know. And if anybody comments saying I have a big head, I'm going to be annoyed. I'm going to come for you in the comments, girl. But yeah, so that's basically what it looks like, guys. Right? So I'm going to try it on. And I'm going to ask you guys not to laugh. It comes with a clip. So you have 2 clips at the front, at both sides. You got 1 at the back as well. Can you even see this? And obviously inside where the mesh is and the cap, whatever. So I'm gonna try this. I'm not gonna open the back because I think this size will be fine. But don't laugh at me, guys. Okay? I don't know how I'm gonna work this out, but don't laugh. Okay, so I'm gonna put that kind of Oh, let me kind of draw that as far down as possible. Maybe this would have been better if I actually did this off camera. That would be better. But hey, so you find that there. The headband thing is a little bit loose. Whew. Guys, I am sweating. Maybe it chose the wrong day to do this. Let me pull this back just a little bit. So I don't know how far back to pull this, because I don't really like using the clips in my hair, guys, because I always end up with my edges going, and I got PCOS, so I lose my hair naturally. And as you can see, that's just my hairline kind of fading, because not fading, but my hair falls out because of the hormones and stuff. Sometimes it falls out, sometimes it's good, sometimes it falls out. So I don't like to pin it, and I'm not going to pin it. So I'm going to make sure I try and secure this as the best that I can. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave it like so. I mean, it's okay, but this is the one bit I'm kind of like, I'm not sure about. But it comes with the headbands. So let me see what headband I'm going to try. So you have like a black and white, like a butterfly one. And you have this one, kind of like a tiger print. I think I'm going to go with the tiger print, guys. Oh, guys, I am sweating. I don't know if you can see, but I'm actually very sweating right now. I'm sweaty, like sweaty right now. Okay, so already, let me tell you. Let me show you this. Right? A lot of people prefer this, but I cannot stand the headband that is loose. I don't know if you notice when I actually wear my headband, I prefer the ones that I can tie. And I think I'm going to have to make that happen with this, because otherwise it's just not going to give me that kind of definition look that I'm looking for. So if I don't tie it, this is what's going to look like, right? I guess if you like it, then you like it like so. Me, I don't like it like so. So what I'm going to do, I need this to be tighter. Like, you see that pull? So what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to pull that in as tight as I can, like so. Look, can you see it? Yeah. And I'm gonna make something out of something, y'all. I don't know if I can get like an elastic band or something. Let me try to get this hair out. Get like an elastic band and then kind of tie it. But for now, for the video purpose, let me just kind of just wrap it around. But the hair's getting entangled. Lordy, good Lord Almighty, what y'all trying to do to me? Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna push it underneath the actual wig. Okay, so I'm gonna push it like so. I'm not gonna put it at the back, because if you put it at the back, then it will show in the wig, right? So I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna, but the bitch is pulling apart. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, so let's do it like that. I got an idea. I'm gonna pull this, the band itself. I'm gonna pull the band. You know, the actual one that comes with it. And I'm gonna double lock that. I'm gonna pull it like so. I'm gonna use this underneath and put I'm gonna put the pretty one on top, kind of like underneath that, and then lock this on top, so that keeps it there, so I don't have to worry about anything else. Bitch, I got it right. Okay, guys, I'm still sweating. Like I told you, I'm really sweating right now, because I have a fever, and I can't believe I'm actually doing this video, because I'm feeling very ill. And the moment, I know I might not look ill, guys. I know I might not look ill, but I am so ill right now, okay? The one good thing is that the pain that I was feeling is kind of calmed down a little bit. So now I mostly have just the fever on and off and the swelling. But y'all, tell me what you think. I'm gonna let y'all see the back as well. Hold on, I'm gonna let you see the back. Let me spin in my chair. What do you think? See? What do you think? Let me turn around. Oh. Okay, so I don't know. What would you give this? I'm gonna give it like a. Let me see what the back looks like. I'm gonna give it maybe kind of like maybe a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7 for a headband wig. My headband. I'm gonna give it a 7. I've never worn a headband wig before. The reason why I'm giving it a 7, see this bit here? I just don't like this flat look here. And it's not even like on my head, but I'm gonna try this. When I take this, what I'm gonna do is, when I'm off camera, I'm gonna see if I can like pull it and kind of like get this to kind of stay down on my head like that, kind of. Do you see what I mean? Kind of like that. Because right now it's not on. It's just like, well, it's on, but it's, I don't like how this bit is a bit raised. I want it to like go like this. But I might do is, I might do this actually, guys. I might put a pin. I might put a pin up here. I might do that. There we go. Make sure that pin is not showing. Now, yes, honey, this is what I'm talking about. So I feel better with it because I put that pin there and it's not as raised. So like this, yeah, I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. I don't even mind. I'm gonna give it an 8. But without tightening the headband, I think it would be kind of like a 5. I think that tightening of the headband for me gave it that extra 3 with the pin there. But the here, it looks nice. The only problem though, because I can already tell from when I was going like this, it tangles really, really quick. But it's synthetic, so, you know, you can't really, you know, and I think I got it for about 20, got it for 24 pounds, guys. 24 pounds something. So you get what you got. I don't even know, but yeah, you get what you pay for, okay? You get what you pay for. But apparently you can wash it. And it comes in a little manual here, and it tells you how you can groom it and stuff like that. So if you want to try it out, then I'm going to leave the link in the description for you, so you can go ahead and try that out. But like I said, guys, I think it's cute, and I might actually just wear this tomorrow. I'm going to wear this out tomorrow. I like it. I like it. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I like it. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's hot, so I'm gonna see what it looks like. I don't know. Let me see this. Yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's cute, and I think there's so many things you could do with it. Maybe I'm gonna play around with it, kind of like see if it can have like the sides down and put it up. I don't know, guys. It's kind of hard because I'm on camera and I'm very, very warm at the moment. So I'm thinking I could probably do something like this with it and see if I can get that to be up. Look at this, guys. See what I mean? That's where I say it gets so tangled. Do you see it? But I'm thinking maybe I could potentially do something like that with it. But it gets so tangled really quickly. I can tell I'm going to have a kind of problem with it. I can tell I'm going to have a problem with it, with the tangling issues. But it is what it is. Like I said, you get what you pay for, and you got what you get what you got. I don't even know if that makes sense. But guys, I heard that somewhere, but I keep repeating it like it makes sense to me. But I don't know. But anyways, guys, you seen the wig. You seen me sweating. You seen me heated. You seen the fever taking over my body. Yes, guys. And it's not corona. I tell you, it is not corona. It is not corona. It's either sinusitis or it is like a viral infection, like what the doctor said. I'm not quite sure. I think I've gotten through the worst of it, which is why I didn't post like I should have done on Thursday. So you guys know, you know, it is what it is basically. But I'm getting through it. I'm feeling a lot better in a sense where there's no pain at the moment. It's just that my body is just not fully recovered. Not fully recovered. But anyways, guys, I did order 2 stuff from Amazon. One of them was that brow stamp, guys. I ordered the brow stamp, and I want to do the brow stamp video for you guys because I wanted to check it out because everyone keeps going on and on about it. But I think I missed it because, let me show you why I think I missed it. Because this, I can't show you. I don't want to show my address. Let me make sure my address is not on there. Because this, guys, found this outside the door. Had to hide this. Don't want to show my address. My address is not on there. Neither is my phone number. Okay, great. So, yes, guys. So, this was at the door when the other parcel came. So, but I wasn't actually expecting this because they told me not until 14th of February. So, I wasn't expecting it right now. But apparently it came through they came with it, and I did not hear the door. I was here all day. Didn't go anywhere, but I didn't hear the door. So it is what it is. But anyways, guys, thank you for like sticking through this video with me while I do this wig try on. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think. And guys, please, I'm hoping that you've already liked the video at this point, because honey, if you haven't liked the video at this point, we're going to have some problems, okay? We're not really going to have problems because technically I can't force you to like the video, but I'm asking you like politely, can you please just like the video? Please. Okay, so like the video, and like I said, if you're a newbie, subscribe, hit that notification bell, subscribe, hey. Hit the notification bell, guys. You notice every time I try to sing that in a song, I mess it up completely. Like I go completely off tone, but it doesn't matter because you get what I mean. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time the girl uploads a new video. Okay, honey? So thank you so much for sticking with me. And I'm sorry once again for not posting on Thursday, guys. But I love y'all. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for supporting me. But I'll see y'all in the next video. But for now, keep it sassy-licious.